Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to show you how to make the calculator program in Python. Let us show the demo first. This is a simple demo. There are many students who request me to do the calculator program in Python, so that I done this exercise. The very simple exercise here. If you want to add two numbers, first I am going to add, we have to input two numbers. Click plus button. 4 will be the answer. If it is minus, 0 will be the answer. Subtraction 4. This one should be the division 1, right? Division. Okay, division sign. We have to put it here division. That's why the right here division. Right. Okay. Now here all the symbols are correct. Right. Now let me see how to do this system step by step. Here, first what I did is here I already done the code part. If I write from the beginning, it's so boring to complete the project, so that I have already written the code, simple code. I explain step by step, don't worry about that. First we have to import the Tictor, right? This is how we have to implement the GUI application in Python. We have to import the Tictor. This is the very famous one in Python. After that, what I did here is we have explained these functions later. After that, we have to add the Tictor to root here. After that, root dot title calculator mean I have set the title for here, calculator. After that, we have to given the size of that. The Tictor we have to give the size, this one. After that, I have declared 3 global variables, which is E1, E2, result text, right? Result text I have to assign to string var, right? Right. After that, what I am going to do is here I have designed the labels, right? So here label the same root. We have to add that root means the Tictor dot. This is a text mean this is the name of the label. Name of the label mean num1. This is the label text dot place, where you place the label on the window. Okay, where you place on the window, right? Which position? Okay, so x mean x comma y, right? X, this one should be the x, right? X, so y. So here I have placed it here, right? The same thing. After that, I have implemented the second label. This is text should be num2 dot place. Here you have to write the, I haven't changed the x, I have only changed the y 10, position 10, position 40. Okay, the same here. The x mean this x, y mean here it goes like this. Here this one should be 40. Okay, you have to give the space, so that we have to put it here y here 40, right? If you put 20, it is here, so that you have to 40, it is managing. After that, third one is a result. Result is display here, so that we have to put it here simple space 60, right? I given the space, right? After that, we have to add the entry root, right? First, this global value, get it here, entry root. You have to write the keyword entry root. You have to place the position of the text boxes, right? E dot place, this is a text box where you place it here. Here. So that 110 mean here. After that, 140 mean this one 140 mean here, right? After that, we have to calculate the result. Result equal label, this label root. Here we have to write variable, text variable, where we have to create a variable here. So this global variable we have to assigning here, so that when you calculate the value, it will be, results will be, should be display on the this result label, so that we have to input the text variable label, this global variable inside here, right? Place where you display, you have to give the place 100. This is the position. You must understand the position. This is very must when you are writing the program in Python. So it is very must, right? If you understand x and y, you will be able to create the user interface very easily, right? You don't worry about very easy stuff, right? This all codes I have pasted in my website. You will be able to just copy and paste and run the code, right? It's very simple one. First you have to understand before you run the code, right? If each and every line should be most important stuff for learning Python for beginners, right? After that, I have created 4 buttons: add, minus, subtraction and division. Here this is the text I have given. Okay, this is all the text I have given. Okay, this text mean here it will be display the button here, right? This simple. Command mean this is very essential stuff. When you click the button, what happen? So that things we have to given in the command, right? This command we have to given, right? This one look like some VB, right? VB also the command there. So here also if you click on the button, what happen is, so this command we have to write add minus subtraction out. If you click this button, what happen is, here we have to set the height and width of the button. This is a place where your button will be shown, right? Which place you are shown? You shown on here. So that we have to give the places, right? X and Y. Okay, right. Command. If you click plus sign, what happen is this command, this goes to the relevant function add, right? Add function I have add like this, result equal, I have created a variable result equal int mean we have to add the record, so we have to put it the int e1 dot get mean, e1 mean this e1. Okay, I already created the variables here. We have to assign to the relevant text fields, right? What you are written on the text field, it is assigning to the this variable. What you assigning here? This variable. Okay, that's what this variable, right? This variable. Okay, if you put entry mean this is a text box, right? If you enter something else, it is assigned to these variables, right? So it goes here. What you entered here e1, what you entered here e2, it is calculated and display the result into the result text dot set. Okay, so result dot text mean this one. This result I have this one here. This one result mean if you call it here, it will be display here. Okay, if you display here, the same thing here, and the same thing you have to do here. This minus and subtraction and division. We have created the 4 buttons. So here if you click minus, it goes to the relevant function minus. If you click subtraction, it goes to the subtraction. If you click on the division button, it goes to the division function and do the calculation part and display the total as well. Okay, it's very simple calculate how to make step by step. I have explained clearly in Python. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching. Here this is the simple demo. Okay.